In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Canva to Pixabay, making your design process even richer with a vast variety of free images. Imagine having access to an extensive library of high-quality photos right at your fingertips while you design. Well, with the integration of Canva and Pixabay, that's exactly what you get. First things first, let's open Canva. If you're already familiar with Canva, you know that it's a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning designs effortlessly. But today, we're going to elevate that experience by integrating it with Pixabay, a well-known website for free-to-use images. Once you've opened Canva, look towards the left side of your screen, where you'll find various options to enhance your design toolset. Here, you're going to see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now, picture the Apps section as a hub that connects Canva with additional resources and tools to make your design work more efficient and visually appealing. You'll notice a search bar at the top of this section. This is where the magic begins. Carefully type in Pixabay. As you type, Canva will start suggesting related apps and extensions, making your search process quick and hassle-free. Once Pixabay appears, click on it. This action will take you one step closer to a vast ocean of images you can dive into right from your Canva workspace. Upon clicking Pixabay, you'll be presented with an option to open. Click on this to integrate Pixabay with your Canva account. This step is where the integration officially happens, allowing you to draw images directly from Pixabay into your designs, without having to leave Canva or open any additional browsers or tabs. It's all about saving time and keeping your creative workflow seamless. Now that you've opened Pixabay within Canva, the world is your oyster. You can search for whatever image you wish to incorporate into your project. Whether it's nature scenes, abstract art, or thematic images, Pixabay has an extensive library to choose from. Simply type your query into the search bar and explore the results. Feel free to scroll through the vast selection of images available and click on any image to instantly include it in your design. This straightforward connection makes it incredibly easy to blend high-quality visuals with your creativity, making your final output stand out all the more. And there you have it. Connecting Canva with Pixabay is as simple as that. Not only does this integration save you time, but it also enriches your designs with endless possibilities by providing direct access to Pixabay's treasure trove of images. Happy designing and enjoy the creative boost that this connection brings.